This how I forget iPhone people them props. You get me? I forget iPhone people them props when it comes to this. When it comes to video quality, them have it. You see me say if you have an iPhone 6 or an iPhone 5. Legacy TV and now another video. Hey, you know from I put on the glasses, you know say some serious stuff for go under the video here. Now listen, my job up for my notepad again. Now you read the title. You read the title, people. You see the thumbnail. You see how the video vibe. You know what I go on. So today I talk about 6 things I wish I knew before I started a YouTube channel. So I write them down on my notepad and I can judge my writing, don't judge my writing. Right, like I come from the, you know. Alright, sorry. Alright, so I'm writing them down on the notepad. Me think at certain things what I should have known before I start a YouTube channel. And this is good information for persons who just start a YouTube channel and feel like, you know, I'd probably make the mistake here right now and probably feel through them a post every time and them feel like them not grow. I feel this can definitely help to make us recognize and see the issues, and even me still learn more things, but them are things what me notice and I'm gonna tell you. So get your popcorn, get your juice, get ready, sit back. You don't know, but before this video start, you do have to do. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, dog. Left a like on the video, and if you have a friend that started YouTube, you can share this video to them. You get me? Share this video to them and, you know, let them learn something. Yeah, simple. Just send it to them DM. As some see. So the first one I'm putting on the notepad, have like 40 video ideas. Bro, for this one, guys, listen, for this specific one, I never know this one day I start YouTube at the beginning, but just freestyle. As I said before in the next video I'm going to talk about, just freestyle videos. I just recently started planned videos. This was a planned video. When I think about it in my head, say I'm going to post. So you get me? So schedule the videos. I have at least 40, dog. At least 40 video ideas put on in our notebook somewhere, because you don't want to start a channel, go freestyle one video, make it, upload it, then what, 6-7 months pass, you know, post a second video for continue back after you left the first one. And I feel that I did doing at the beginning. When I make a video, I just freestyle the video. Like I'm not even planning to say, oh, you know I'm gonna do this, alright, I have them video here, put down in my notepad. 10-20 videos, and then I go pre-record them, have them store up, and when the time for upload, like on my schedule timing, like on Sundays and Thursdays, I upload them, just have them and just upload them. I never know that. I just make a video before the day, try get it edit and then post it the next day. Yeah, so have some before, and this is before you start a YouTube channel. Have some videos pre-record, think about them, schedule them in your mind, have them write down. Yeah, if you don't make the video them yet, just have at least 10, 20, 30 video ideas put on. So I never know that, and I hope you learn that. Second one, get decent equipment. Alright, so for decent equipment now, what I mean by that is, you don't have to get the dearest camera, you don't have to buy, you know, the latest iPhone 12. No, you can record for your iPhone 6. You get me? This is the next one that I said to when you record, if you try to record with a decent phone, because when I start now, I'm going to use my LG. What my LG? No, this I use, record videos. This. And I never the best quality too, but it the alright, it shot in a 720 quality, and I have good lighting to make it work and look good. So you don't have the best phone, just get at least a decent video. But what me that said, don't use the Androids. This is how I forget iPhone people them props. You get me? I forget iPhone people them props when it comes to this. When it comes to video quality, them have it. You see me say, if you have an iPhone 6 or an iPhone 5, quality is still good right now. If you have good lighting and everything, just get all a ring light. Me buy a ring light here on Amazon. If you can't get a ring light, just use the flashlight for your phone, set it up. And that used to make my videos them with. I used to like literally have on the flashlight. I'm like, I set it up somewhere near the phone, so for make it show. That used to do that. The good old days of phone that this used to do when I never have good lighting, or I turn on the lighting at the house. You see right now I have to turn on light in the house now, come on my ring light and see lighting watch. So you can't see shit. You can't see nothing. You get me? You can turn it down, adjust, change the filter. So definitely get a ring. Oh, this don't look so. Yeah. Yeah. So definitely get a ring light. And a decent phone, you need the most expensive cameras we said before. You really don't need the camera, bro. But just build your way up till you can purchase a real great quality camera. Right now the phone I me have is a S10 Plus. One of the best quality then, but another the best in the world. But it's a good quality phone, shot in a 1080p with the front, back 4K up to 4K. But me use the front camera so I can see myself, so I can know what go on my face. You know them with the ladies, please. Calm down, please. I'm not even trim. Yeah, so get decent equipment when you start a channel. Just at least a nice simple phone. And if you can have a flashlight pan, or you do not have a next phone, just try for shooting at the daytime. Yeah, try shoot videos in the day. Get some good sun. Find a spot outside, or open the door them out the window. Get the window, set up your camera, and you're good to go. You get me? Next one, that one here is very, very important. Learn how to edit. This is a very, very important one, guys. Listen to me. When me start, I never know for edit to save my life. As I say, we just watch YouTube tutorials. As they show me the first video I make with my nigga them, we literally never know for edit. The nigga they just have a MacBook. We just go on him iMovie on him MacBook, and then we start try edit, cut, we learn for paste. But it take me very, very mad long. It like some make the video like Friday, cause some put out the video like next Friday or Sunday, and that's how long. And because we never know for edit. You know the way they never know for put the little nice little thing them together, put the little intro in it, put the little the fun thing them. We never know for do that yet. So maybe still learn how to edit. So watch tutorials on YouTube. There's a lot of tutorials on YouTube on how to edit. We can teach you how to edit the apps them where you use for edit. We soon make a video on the apps we use edit. So look out for the video there very soon, guys. Look out for the video there. If you're a YouTuber and you have an Android phone or even Apple phone, we can get some apps as well where you can use for make videos. So stay tuned for the video there soon. The next one I have here is upload the videos and put them in private. I never know the one here. So when me upload video, I just upload it public and they just post and everybody see it, or whoever see it when they subscribe to my channel at the time just see it. I never put it in a private for put on the end cards. So I always upload the videos in private, guys. When you have a channel, you schedule it, not schedule it, private it, put the hashtags them, learn about hashtags, put all of the hashtags them in there. Put also some of your favorite YouTuber name them in there so people can click it. You get me? Hashtag Jamaican, hashtag Q&A, if it's a Q&A, hashtag Q&A, hashtag Q&A, spicy Q&A, hashtag a big YouTuber name, might be DDG, or you don't know who else, or one of Jamaican name YouTuber them where you watch, Quiet Perry, or who else. All the YouTubers tag them, all if you have nothing to do with the vid, you tag it tonight. But make sure you put the focus hashtags them in the thumbnail, another section of the description of the video, or the hashtag section when you upload the YouTube video. Hopefully I think you know that, yeah. And so it have a hashtag sections where the video can be recommended more. People who click on a similar type of video can see yours. It just pop up somewhere one day. You know them way there, so stuff like that. And your end cards, you put up your end cards them, you put your subscribes. So when like somebody video end and then you see like the little picture with 2 other videos before that them the upload. You can just click it. So make sure you put your videos in a private before you upload them. Very essential, guys. So don't go make the video, edit it and go post it, and they see it go public already, and people start clicking out and say shit, no, you're gonna put it in that private fast. Put up the end screen, them put up the thumbnail, you know, so stuff like that. Yeah. Number 5, sub for sub do not work. Listen to me. See anybody coming in a video about, so hey, sub for hashtag sub for sub, and come in your DM and say, hey, me watch 1 minute of a video, watch 1 minute of my video, please comment on it, share it, and me do the same for you. Listen, that shit do not work. Trust me, that's one of the biggest mistakes they will make. It not help your channel at all. It not help people retain views for your channel, because when you make it, when people do that now, YouTube are going to say the reduction of your views in terms of people now watch your videos to the very end, or them just watch like 30 seconds of it. I'm gonna say, oh, your channel not grab nobody. Why me go recommend your videos them? I like 30 seconds a day think people are watch, and drop a little quick comment. It not gonna work. So guys, do not do the sub for sub thing. That do not work unless there's somebody where you see a post as hard as you. When they on the come up for your channel and say you like them content, you check it out, like genuine subscribers. Don't just subscribe somebody for 2 or 10 seconds or a couple minutes and then them unsubscribe to you. Listen, anytime you see somebody comment that, report them. If anybody come in your DM, I can't tell you how much time people come in my DM, go sub for sub. Brother, I'm gonna look on it, brother. Because you do it one time and a rubbish, it do not work. Do not do it. Yeah. And my final one, the final thing I should have known before me start a channel, it kind of similar to upload videos, but or video ideas, but schedule your videos. Me never have no schedule. Me just I didn't have no schedule. G, listen to me, guys. We just post when people post. Like, and I just recently start like schedule my videos. Then like Sundays I post at 6 p.m. and what I mean by schedule it, like you have an upload option on YouTube and you can schedule a video. So what that means is you can change it to schedule, say hey, make a video Saturday, you finish upload it by Saturday, you get it ready Sunday. But suppose your internet gone, but you know, you schedule a video of upload at Sunday 6 p.m. and you promote it by Instagram beforehand, so it you get for go public before even probably internet will come back in time, or your light be gone for you to change the setting for put it public. When you could have scheduled the video for put it public, me never know that back then. Me just upload it and wall it, save it in a private and wait for show it to people who just turn it in a public. Now I'm gonna start schedule the video. You know what I'm with it? So guys, yeah, these are the 6 things I wish I knew before I started a YouTube channel. I was still not know yet, it was still a grow. As I said, I start schedule my postings now. I post on Sundays and Thursdays, so these videos will be uploaded on Thursday, and I hope you watch the video to the end. If you watch the video to the end, comment star, so me know if you watch it to the end. Me know if you really did watch my video to the end at this point. And you don't know, subscribe to the channel if you're new, dog. Ladies, subscribe to come out. I said, dog, subscribe to the channel, everyone. Leave a comment, please, it will help, and leave a like on the video, dog. As we say, me I try to hit 5K by summer. This is my native is my man stand up. Oh no. Yeah, man, so subscribe to the channel as I said before, like the video, and yeah, I hope these mistakes help you, because maybe you learn them late, but you guys who have start channels or already have a channel where you know kind of want to learn about them stuff here, do it, you get me, and hopefully it help. You get me I say? And I'm out.
I think I'm falling for you.